Alright, this is just going to be a short video to give you some direction for your AP test preparation for AP Physics, although this could apply equally well to AP Calculus as well. Our program is going to be to do some practice multiple choice. And then we're going to do a multiple choice test. And then we're going to do some practice free response. And then we're going to do an FRQ test. And then you're going to take the actual AP test on May the 3rd. And then you'll be done. That will be the end of AP Physics. I am not going to ask you to do anything else after that point. That's going to free up some more time for us to focus on calculus. And of course, I know you have other things, other AP tests and whatever also. So that will be the end. So when you're going through these practice things, what should you do? So the format of the actual AP test is 45 minutes of multiple choice, and then 45 minutes of, sorry, not 45 FRQs, 45 minutes of FRQs. In this 45 minutes of multiple choice, there are 35 questions. And in the FRQ, they're 15 minutes apiece, so let's see, 45 divided by 15 is, that's right, it's 3. So 3 questions. So when we practice, we want to think about this pace. This, doing 35 multiple choice questions in 45 minutes, is a pretty blistering pace. And you have to, like, from the get-go, you have to understand that you cannot spend like 5 minutes on one of these questions. You have to blow through them, and sometimes you just have to cut your losses if there's one that you can't figure out. So from the very beginning, please keep that in mind. We want to practice doing it at this pace. You're going to have 3 of these, 3 opportunities to do a practice multiple choice set, and then we'll do one for a test grade. This is what I want you to do for both multiple choice and FRQs. You are allowed to use your calculator and the equation sheet for both. I don't want you to do not one single multiple choice problem without the equation sheet sitting next to you. Why? I mean, I know you remember some of these equations. That's fine, that's great. But I want you to be very, very familiar with what's on it and what's not on it. Okay? So that should be with you at all times when you're doing this practice. After you have completed a practice multiple choice, then you're going to go back. There'll be videos of me doing all the questions, and you will go through and basically sort of grade and correct at the same time, like to see how many you got right, and to also correct the ones that you got wrong. Now, what I want you to do is, as you're going through that process, is to, as neatly as you can, in one place, make notes about what are the things that you're missing, what are the things that you need to go back and review a little bit. It's easy to just blow through all these and then just like keep making the same mistakes, keep missing the same kinds of problems, and of course we don't want to do that. We want the practice to actually serve the purpose of getting a little bit better as we go through. Of course, it will also serve to remind us of all the things that we learned this year and that will be asked about on the actual AP test. When you get to the practice FRQs, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go through, give yourself 15 minutes per each one that I give you to practice, and then as you go through and watch the video of me doing it, you'll make notes about, like, these are the things that I need to go back and review, and so on. So it should be a very organized, disciplined process going through this practice stuff. Okay? That is how I would like you to approach it, and any other details you'll be given when the assignments come out to you. Alrighty.